Hello, welcome to Hevlendor Design. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create this neon light effect in CorelDraw. We're changing this picture from this to this. So without further ado, let's get to work. So I'll delete this one. Just right click and delete. Or you press your delete on the keyboard. Okay. So first of all, we're going to turn this image from the bitmap menu grayscale, and we're going to convert this to RGB 300 dpi. Okay, so just duplicate this. Now we go to the effect and adjustment. We have image adjustment lab. Alright, so here you can change this to any color of your choice. Just tint this to any color of your choice. Color of light you desire to make this. So I can work with this. So we'll take the second color of light for this one. Go to adjustment, image adjustment lab. Okay, this time I'm going to use this pink. Okay, so now we're going to hold shift and select the second image. You can press L to align the both image to be at the same spot. So right now with our transparency tool, can apply transparency to one of the image. So that's very simple. That's very simple. Anywhere you choose you want this light to fall, just adjust the transparency, and this is what you're going to have. If you find value in this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching. Like and share. Have any question, comment in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.